2001 Toyota Camry, 2001 who Camry. Don't play with me, why Jet Li? Your ass ice like Pepsi. Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Axtuo is back. Yeah, I mean, we here, we out here. 2001 Toyota Camry. I'm gonna show you how to do the rear brakes. I replace the brake pads, replace the rotor, the drums, know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much it. Shout outs to the whole clan, shout outs to the whole gang, shout outs to the whole planet, know what I'm saying? Belgium, French, Italy, Japan, Spain, UK, US, Canada, Mexico, Peru, Brazil, all that. And I'm saying I'm not gonna name all of them though, but if I don't say the name, you out cheer. And I'm saying you in cheer. And I'm saying, I'm gonna leave it right there. I'm not gonna hold you up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Do that. Like, share, and comment. Alright, stop playing with me, man. Let's get it. Axtuo, bro. This is how it looks like, know what I'm saying? This is the whole Chabanga Bang, know what I'm saying? 14, 14, 14, and the other 14 is down there. Right here, 14 over there. No? Yo, oh, okay, so it's all the way over here. Alright, I see you, boy. Right here. Know what I'm saying? Alright, these are drums, okay? So you're probably gonna need to adjust it once you install it, but we'll see how it goes. All right, so stay tuned. Let's get it. Axtuo. We're about to do the yo, let me give you I'm gonna give you the part number for the drums. I'm gonna give you the part number for the brake pads. Then saying, you know how I do. How you being, people? I'm sorry for the intro though. Sorry, but I'm not sorry. That was just a little freestyle, you know what I'm saying? Let me give you some light, because it's light. Let me see, where can I put this? Stop playing with me. There you go, nice. What else you need? What else you want? Go, I got it all. Go. I'm the walking store. You name it, I got it. Where are my gloves? Where are my gloves? Where are my gloves? Yo, do you take my gloves, go? Do you take my gloves, go? Stop playing with me. Oh, my bad. I found it. It's right here. I feel a little bit aggressive lately. Just playing though. Alright. Let's get into this thing. Alright, hey. I gave shout outs to the whole clan. The full clan, you know what I'm saying? Shout outs to the haters too. It's me. Listen. That was kinda weird though, but fuck it. 14 millimeter. Pop. Yes, sir. See this? Bah. Just like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna use the swivel. 14, 3/8. Yeah. Electric ratchet. All that. The one at the bottom has the rubber at the tip. Pause. Okay, you see it. Alright. We're gonna clean it and a little bit again. The one on top doesn't have the rubber. Alright, just so you know. Wiggle, come out. This is how it looks like. We're gonna push the piston. You know what? I'm gonna push the piston now. You know what I'm saying? I push blocks, I push cars, I push. I'm just gonna cut it right there, because if I finish my sentence, they're gonna give me a sentence. You see what I did? You see what I did right there? I'm saying. So how you push it is, you use the piston pusher. You know what I'm saying? Put it right there, like that, pop. And you spin it. I'm just gonna push it. Push it to the limit. I'm just gonna push the piston back. You see? You see what I'm doing? Push it to the limit. Okay. Turn this thing clockwise. Okay. That's how you do it. Put this into the side. Now these are another two 14s. Okay. Be careful if it's rusty. If it's rusty, you wanna push, grab the socket and push it all the way in, so you don't F it up. And chain. Okay, that was some brake cleaner. Giddy. Oops, dip socket, 14 dip socket. Okay, I'm gonna use my weight. But you know what? Let's see though, let's see. Okay, the other one, 14.2. Okay, done. I do 14 over here. Swivel, know what I'm saying? You see it, you see it. You see what's good. $14 swivel, same size, alright? They same size, alright? Remove the bracket. That's how it looks like. I think I'm gonna reuse the hardware because it's not that rusty, and the other side is good too. This thing is just gonna come out just like that. I didn't even need to heat it with the hammer. So you see this thing right here, we're gonna have to remove it. Okay, this is the hole that you use to adjust the shoes. Okay, so let me bring you to the front. All right, that's nice. Now I'm gonna clean this. Okay, I'm gonna spray some brake cleaner. Alright. I'm gonna spray the caliper too, because that's a lot of mud. You know what I'm saying? It's good though. Alright. Gucci. Alright, Gucci. Now introducing the new drum rotor made by, hold up dog. This rotor gonna have some grease, okay, so we're gonna have to clean it. This guy right here, put it right there. All right, because I'm gonna spray. Hold up. Good. I'm gonna spray it. Alright. I'm gonna turn it. You see this? Here's where I'm gonna put the rubber, okay? From the old drum, and he has to match with one of these big holes. Okay, pause. There's two big holes and one small hole. Alright, but we're gonna do it with the big hole. You know what I'm saying? Just like that. Pop. Don't forget to clean this side. Okay. But now that I think about it, this hole is not matching, so maybe it's with this one. Let's see. No. Okay. Now this one match with this one. Okay, with this hole. Not with this, not with this. With this one, okay? You have to see. Because if you do the other holes, you're just gonna get a half of the hole, and that's not good. Okay? With this one at the bottom, you have the whole hole, the entire hole to adjust the, you know, the shoes. Okay, stop playing with it. Part number 96221 brake rotor, made by Ray Bestos. Alright, Yuri, whichever. Alright, when I edit this video, you know, you're gonna get it right. You know what I'm saying? Now, what we're doing? We're doing the bracket. Come with me. Now with this bracket, put this away. Alright, that's one. That's two. Okay. Now this one, I'm gonna reuse the hardware because it's good, and I'm gonna brush it. Okay. If it's not good, you're welcome to change it. Okay. Huh. They're good. All right. Brush it good. Okay. Alright, now grab the silicone brake lubricant. Made by Ray Bestos. I prefer to put it here though, instead of just the brake pads. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Now it's Gucci. Now I'm gonna install it. Okay. Now here, put this guys in. Hello. Put it there. Make sure it goes straight. Now everything goes in reverse, know what I'm saying? Okay, this one is a little bit. We get it right, don't worry about it. Electric ratchet, 3/8 swivel, 3/8, 14mm. You saw it fly? I did too. This one is a little bit. Okay, alright, we got it right, dog. Tie that, deep socket, 14. Should be good. Alright. Let me make sure this thing is Gucci, yeah, Gucci. Gucci. Now, brake pads. And the hardware comes with a safety. This safety is going to let you know when the brake pad is very low, and it's going to start making sounds when it's low. You see it, right? So I'm going to put this thing here, just like that. And it's gonna go here, like this. Just like that. Alright. The other one, the same way. Just like that, alright? With Gucci. Put some lubricant here. Over here, inside, outside, so the piston, the bracket doesn't stick to it. Now we put the caliper back, just like that. Pop. The same way you remove it, the same way you put it back. You know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna put the slider. Remember, I'm gonna clean it. Re-grease it. This one doesn't have the rubber, okay? This one I'm gonna go on top. The one that it has the rubber is gonna go at the bottom, which is this one. Wipe it, clean it, re-grease it, or lube it. Pause. Don't play with me. I'm watching you. Just like that. Pop. Put it right there. Grab the 3/8 swivel 14mm socket. Tied it. You hear that? The boop, 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 boop. That means the car knows it's getting ready. I'm saying the car is telling me, oh, that feel good, good. Pause. I'm gonna make sure this is snug. Gucci. We come. Let me give you some light though. Okay, right here is where that rubber is gonna go. The rubber from the previous rotor. This thing, just pop it like this. Know what I'm saying? And it's gonna go right here. It should be okay though. But the way to adjust this is, if you see through the hole, you're gonna see a gear, okay? That gear, you can turn it up or down, and whichever it is the way, if you turn it up, let's say you turn it up, right? Or you turn it like down, okay? You press it down and it gets tight, too tight that you cannot even move it. Then push it the other way until you don't hear the shoes touching the drum, and that should be good. All right, that's how you adjust it, okay? So we're good with that now. Let me give you the part number for this. Brake Experts Akebono Pro at, there you go, you see it, at ACT 82AA. Okay, that's the part number. Okay, for the rear brake pads in this 2001 Toyota Camry. All right. Now all we gotta do is put the tires back, go to the driver's side, step on the brake pedal. The first one is gonna feel soft. Then the more you step on it, it's gonna feel harder. Pulse. Then go to the engine bay, open the hood, go to the engine bay, look for the brake fluid reservoir, check the level. If it's low, pour some .3, .4, and to the max level, top it off, and road test it. Okay, when you road test it, step on the brake like this, go 40 miles per hour and step on the brake like this. That way the brake pads gonna get used to the new rotor. Okay, and then if you hear some type of noise in the beginning, doing that, what I just told you, is gonna kill the sound. All right, so I come through here. Like I said, I step on the brake pedal. One. Now I got hard. Pulse. I'm watching you, Cole. Stop playing with me. Okay, that's hard enough. Come on here. Open the hood. Alright, let's go to the front. Which here you come here. Look for the latch. Right here. Open it. Boom, in your face. You don't need a kickstand here because you hold by itself. Now, come here. Look at the brake fluid. It's good. It's over there at the mats. You see the mats, right? It says right here. The level is there, so you can't even shake it. Okay, so it's all Gucci. Oh, and this thing on the top is gonna tell you only .3. You see it, right? Right here. .3. All right. Now so that's how you replace the rear brakes in 2001 Toyota Camry. In the description box or the title, I'm going to put from what year to what year you can do this type of project, okay? In what car, what year, and all that. Matter of fact, you know what? Give me a second. I'll give it to you right now, all right? So yeah, you can do it from the 1997 to, sorry about that, from 1997 from Sorry, from 1997 to 2001. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, you know what to do, put it in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Do that. You know the vibes, you know what I'm saying? Alright. Because it's 4th generation, okay? With a facelift. You know what I'm saying? From 97 to 99, it started the 4th generation. Then from 2000 to 2001 is the 4th generation, but the facelift. You know what I'm saying? So now you know. I'm gonna leave it right here. Shout outs to the whole planet, the clan, the gang. You know what I'm saying? If you wanna contribute to the channel, you wanna say what's up, right below the video there's a heart. It says stance. Click on that if you wanna contribute to the channel. If you wanna if you wanna support my work. You know what I'm saying? Do that. I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm not gonna hold you up. You know what's up. You know what time it is. Holla at your boy. I'm clacking now. Axtuo, Baidu. Hey! See ya. I'm out. Yeah.